Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do gaming performance test of the Honor X9c Smart by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So here we go. So for this testing purpose, we have set the performance mode from the battery setting and 120Hz refresh rate from the display setting. And these are the games we got today here on our Honor X9c Smart. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So here in the Game Manager game widget, you can see we have selected the game mode to get the best performance out of the device. Unfortunately, the game widget of the Magic OS does not provide information regarding the FPS, so we will have to rely on our eyes. But let's play the game and let's see how good it's going to be. The gameplay is not super smooth as you can see, but I think we are getting around 60 FPS. The 3D graphics rendering is good. The details we are getting are good enough as well, considering the price segment of the device here. So once again, you can see sometimes it's kind of slightly lagging. Gameplay is not very smooth.
My trident is formidable. We should have had this fight long ago. There's no place to hide. You'll feel the ocean's power.
So as you can see, the graphics quality is good enough, gameplay was smooth enough considering the hardware specs of the device, but I don't think we were getting more than 60 FPS in any case. So let's close Injustice 2. Now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see by default medium graphics with very high frame rate is selected. I can select high graphics with very high frame rate. If I'm selecting max, then the graphics quality is still high. So this is what I'm going to use to play this game, and let's see how smooth the gameplay is going to be. And here in the download manager, you can see we have downloaded the HD resource pack to get the best performance out of the device. So the 3D graphics rendering is quite nice. The graphics quality is good enough. If you have a look on the ground, you can see we are getting good amount of details. Also, if you have a look on the wall, it's slightly blurry, but still pretty nice. The cracks on the ground. The crack on the ground is quite clear and nice. Gameplay is looking smooth enough. I think we are getting around 60 FPS here.
Sniper. Target down.
missile inbound. Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound.
So there is no frame drop or lagging is happening so far.
Hostile hunter-killer
Everything seems
drone
nice and
inbound.
smooth.
Get down, sniper!
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Watch out, grenade!
Lost the lead.
Sniper eliminated. Enemy down. Get down, sniper! Grenade!
Sentry gun ready to deploy. Lost the lead. XS1 Goliath is ready.
Enemy contact!
Sentry gun deployed. Be advised, hostile predator missile inbound. XS1 Goliath incoming. XS1 Goliath is landing. Be advised, hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Our sentry gun has been destroyed.
Sniper! Down!
Lost the lead.
Tango down! Contact with enemy! Sniper!
Close, fight harder. XS1 Goliath has been destroyed.
Enemy in...
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Bring it up, squad. We're losing this fight.
Tango down! Enemy in sight. Enemy down. Sniper!
So as you can see, the gameplay was nice and smooth. Graphics quality was good enough, and we were not getting any frame drops or lagging, but we were not getting more than 60 FPS as well. But once again, considering the hardware specs and the price segment of the device, that's quite okay. So let's close Call of Duty Mobile. Now let's play Asphalt Legends Unite. The graphics quality is looking quite nice, especially if you have it on the ground. You can see the texture and everything. Gameplay is looking smooth enough. So there was no frame drop, no lagging, graphics quality was good enough, and I believe we were getting good FPS as well. Now let's play PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, you can see by default HD graphics is selected with high frame rate. HDR onwards is not available. If I'm going to balance, then ultra frame rate is getting enabled, and same with the smooth. So I'm going to play the game with HD graphics on high frame rate, and let's see how smooth the gameplay is going to be. So if you have a look on the costume of the character, you can see we are getting good amount of detail. The shadowing effect is nice as well. If you have a look on the ground, the texture on the ground is also quite good. But I think we're getting around 35 to 40 FPS, not more than that here. So as you can see, the graphics quality is looking good enough. There is no frame drop or lagging is happening. And here we go. So as you can see, there was no frame drop or lagging is happening. Everything was nice and smooth, and the graphics quality was good enough as well. Now if we talk about the battery life, then after playing all of these games for around 40 minutes, the battery percentage moved from 73 to 64. So the battery performance is looking good enough. It's not great for sure, but it's good considering the fact that we're playing all of these games on the highest possible graphic setting. And when it comes to heating issue, the device is not even slightly warm. It's exactly at the same temperature at which we have started playing all of these games. So that's quite impressive that there's no heating issue at all with Honor X9c Smart. It's just that the hardware is not strong enough to run all of these games on 120 FPS or 90 FPS, but considering the price segment, it is once again quite acceptable. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.